back to the channel. All of you new guys, thanks for joining us. I'm Stevo. Yeah, right, we're on the road again. Another little weekend mish. I have been invited by the boys from Dads and Lads, another great little YouTube channel. Get over, check them boys out. For a little weekend, little boys weekend. Yeah, we're gonna do a bit of drone fishing, beach camping. The boys have told me they're gonna cook up one of their famous little Weber roasts. Can't wait for that, should be delicious. And yeah, we're just on the road heading up towards Seabird where we're gonna meet. Yeah, haven't met the guys yet, been chatting for a while and thought we'd organise something and get together. I believe they've got a bit of a crew together, not sure how many people, but yeah, I've got about another hour to punch on until I get there. And yeah, I'll let you know when we meet up with the boys. I'll introduce you, and yeah, we'll go from there. It should be a great weekend. It's a Saturday morning and just doing an overnighter. Yeah, hopefully catch some fish, good fish, and just have some fun, a few drinks and a bit of banter. Should be good, so stay tuned guys, and I'll the boys from Dads and Lads. Said g'day. I'll formally introduce you when we get down to the beach. Bit of a convoy happening, some good rigs, and yeah, stay tuned. Should be a bloody good weekend. So we'll see ya when we're airing down. Cheers.
Outside side just in case.
Alright. Met up with the boys, everyone's airing down, get ready for get out there. As I wear down, yeah, I've got about 10 cars in the convoy. Some nice rigs too, 80s and trolls and all that. I'll have a little walk around when we get to camp, have a look at them all. Yeah, we just hit the tracks, just heading down towards the beach, and yeah, I'll let you see when we get to camp, and when we get all set up I'll introduce you to the boys from Dads and Lads. Great guys. Yeah, stay tuned. out this. How the hell did they get that in here, eh? Look at this thing. Oh yeah. Had a good effort getting that in. Well done. Alright guys, just down here at Seabird, down the dunes. Everyone's set up. Got all their setups going. I'll just walk you around a little bit. See how they're going. The boys are over there. Going to do a little rig rundown on E-Dog's patrol. So I might see if I can sneak over there and do a little behind the scenes. Show the boys in action. But yeah, this is camp. Got the fucking beach through there, and we've got a few rigs lined up and everyone's set up. I'll just show you around. Got the old nav set up here. Alright guys, yeah, just over here. The boys over here, dads and lads, doing their thing, got their drone up in the air, get some epic shots. Doing a bit of a rig rundown on the patrol, E-Dog's patrol. Yeah, just sitting back watching these boys do their thing. Bloody good. Nice to meet up with other content creators and see how they do things. So yeah, you got the boys over here in the background, camp, getting into a few beers. Yeah, stay tuned. I've just snuck up here on the hill, do a little shoot over camp. Got the boys down here, dads and lads, doing their thing. Sorry about the wind, that wind's picked up a bit. But yeah, what a cracking spot. Boys come past Seabird. Bad little spot in the dunes here. Check this out. Down, no fishing. That's alright, get back, the boys are going to cook up some food. Thanks for that, and yeah, stay tuned, see what it brings. Hopefully this wind does die down a bit, get a few baits out later. Who knows, catch something nice. Till then, stay tuned. Alrighty. Yeah, not much happening today, just sitting around drinking, a bit of banter, a few jokes, a bit of laughs, a couple of bogs. That wind didn't drop down, so I'm going to try it again early in the morning. Waiting for the boys, a couple of roasts in the Webbers there. I'll show you a bit of that in a bit. But yeah, just going to sit back and have a couple of these and enjoy it. Alright guys, good morning. Day 2. No fishing done yesterday. Yeah, just sitting around, a bit of banter, a few drinks. This morning we've gotten up a bit early. You can see in the background the boys are setting up the drone. They're going to send a few baits out. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you the drone heading out and see if we can catch anything. Alrighty, got one fish. That was one of the boys walking the beach with the lure. Got a little pike, so now we're going to use that as bait. Boys have another crack. That wind's starting to pick up, so I don't know how good it's going to go. I think they've done 2 drops off the drone and nothing yet. We'll go for a third and see what happens. Like that. So stay tuned, see how that goes. Alrighty guys, so it's a bust on the fishing. The boys are wrapping it up there. Yeah, nothing around. Tried about 3 or 4 drops. No good. Took the bait and that was about it. Anyway, you get that. So yeah, just gonna hang around camp. I realise I haven't introduced the boys yet. Been a bit carried away getting to know everyone, so I'll do that in a little bit. Get them on and yeah, stay tuned for more. Alright guys, unfortunately that time of the day, everyone's airing back up, ready to go our ways. Cracking weekend, yeah. Alright guys, gonna call it there. Big shout out to Huntsy and E-Dog here for putting on a good weekend, and cheers for the invite guys.
Thanks for that.
No stress, bro. Been a ripper.
It's been great, yeah. It's good catching up, meeting you guys. And,
That's what it's all about, eh?
make sure you get over and check out these guys' vid on their channel, Dads and Lads. And yeah, support the local WA boys.
Yep.
And
That's what it's about, isn't it?
100%.
call it a wrap there. Make sure you subscribe, hit like, throw a few comments in, and yeah, see you on the next one.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys.
Alrighty, g'day guys. Yeah, hope you enjoyed that one. Just a little one. I didn't do as much filming as I wanted to, but just wanted to give a big shout out to Huntsy and E-Dog, Dads and Lads. Cracking weekend, heaps of laughs, heaps of fun, cracking spot, heaps of full driving action. Yeah, so please be sure to get over and check out the Dads and Lads on YouTube, and check out the full vid there. They've got heaps more footage, heaps of laughs, good times, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.